Hi guys, this is RicChat RC. I'm Rick. Welcome to another review. I'm glad you can join me. Today I'm going to talk about a pocket drone. Now the one I'm going to show you is one that you can get into if you're not sure about what to do as far as getting into the hobby of drone flying is concerned. Now this one is small, it's a pocket foldaway. It's something you can buy for your kid. If you're not sure how he's going to go, if you're not sure whether he's going to keep it up, you don't have to spend hundreds, you only have to spend under 100, and you can pick up something like this. This is the Visuo, or the Visuo. It depends how you pronounce it, I'm not sure myself yet. It's a pocket drone, and it folds neatly away, the arms fold in and out. It comes with brushed motors, not brushless. It comes with a camera. It comes with a transmitter. I think it's a really good introduction for getting into drone flying if you're not sure whether you'd like to or not. So as I said, if you want to get something for your kid, maybe you want to get something for yourself. If you want to find out what the world of drone flying is all about, I mean, this drone hysteria has really taken over, and everyone's getting a drone. Anyone is getting a drone nowadays. But they can be big investments, they can be small investments. Some of them can be absolute rubbish too, and you can waste your money, and it can just pretty much turn you off the hobby if you're not careful. So I've got one of these for myself. It's not for my kid, it's for me. I have to say, it's a nice little introduction if you want to get into this hobby for as little as $60 plus or minus. Alright? You get the camera, you get the transmitter, you get the foldaway pocket drone. All you have to do is download an app on your phone and you can start taking photos, you can start taking videos. You can even watch the screen on your mobile phone and practice FPV without the headset, of course. This thing is so light, I doubt it could ever do any damage if it hit someone, if it fell on someone, or if it just simply fell out of the sky. Let's take it out of the box now and I'll show you what's in it. This is how it comes, all packaged. Not bad, eh? Neatly packed away. The arms are folded. You simply take it out like so. Inside you have the transmitter. You simply take it out like so. Let's talk about the drone first. So this is how she looks, all folded up. All you have to do is extend each of these arms and they lock into place. Not a bad look, eh? There's no technological carbon design here. It's all plastic. Lightweight. On a windy day, this will get carried away somewhat. I don't recommend flying it on windy days, especially extreme windy days. But I have to say, who flies a drone on an extreme windy day anyway? Extreme windy days are for kite flying in my books. That's another story. So as I said, brushed motors. I've never broken a propeller, but I have to say, in the early weeks of receiving this, when I started using it, one of the brush motors did give away already. I couldn't believe it. So I wasn't too happy, but I managed to find a spare online, and I think it cost me $3, maybe $5 all up. It came in the mail. I opened this baby up. I put the new motor in, took the old motor out, soldered one wire to the board, and she's as good as new. It's fantastic. Now the other thing is, this is where the camera is. It's got a slight tilt action up and down. But you know, it's not designed for flying FPV like that. It's designed for video and photography, which you can take using your mobile phone and the app that comes with this baby. The battery, it comes with a 3.7 volt 900 milliamp battery, like so. Hopefully you can see that, and it's in focus. Now this will give you about 6, 7, 8 minutes flight time tops. So much so that I'm having so much fun with it, I ended up buying another 4 or 5 batteries. Anyway, the battery goes in like so. Oh, by the way, they only cost about $2 or $3 or $4 each, so they're pretty cheap too. Battery goes in like so. It's plugged in, ready to go. There's a switch on the back here. Right there. I've switched it on. Looks pretty awesome if I do say so myself, considering its size. Considering it's just plastic. It's got the standard activity flashing lights. And this one actually has green for the front and red for the back. Bit unusual. All the other quads that I've come across normally have red for the front and green for the back, but it's neither here nor there. As long as you can see it in the air, you get used to where the lights are, you get used to what the lights do. It's all good. Now let's have a look at the remote control. Okay, this is it. It's nothing special, okay? It is, however, mode 2. So this only comes in mode 2, throttle on the left. It's got enough features to get you flying, to get you taking video, to get you taking photography. It's got an automatic takeoff button. It's got an automatic land button. And if you press it again, it's got an automatic stop button. These here, these arrows, are the trim, left and right, up and down. This is how you switch it on. So you switch it off. It's got a home base button. It's feature packed. Now the other thing you can do with this is this section here opens up so you can attach your mobile phone. After all, your mobile phone is going to be your viewfinder. This also stretches to cater for your mobile phone width. Everyone's got different size mobile phones. It comes with a flip button, this one here. So it'll do 360-degree flips like that. It's got a speed button where you can vary how fast it's going to react. It also comes with a spare set of blades, like so, and you get a little screwdriver. That's about it. There's nothing more to it. It flies well. On a calm day, it's a nice quad to fly. If you want to learn how to fly a small quad, if you want to get the feel of what it's like to fly a small quad, this is not a bad investment. $60 with a battery, maybe $70 with 2 or 3 batteries. Okay, so it's got brush motors. You're learning, right? You don't need the latest. It's got a camera, it's got a transmitter. You download the app on your mobile phone and you're away. What more could you want? You don't have to solder anything, you don't have to put anything together. Great little introduction to quad flying as far as I'm concerned. And I've still got mine. And I've got 4 or 5 other batteries because I like flying this. Comes with a set of guards, propeller guards. So you can actually put these on the end here, on each end. And when you've got all 4 of them on, it actually makes the quad look bigger than it is. It also improves the level of safety. So if you're flying this in the backyard or you're flying this inside your home, you don't have to worry about these blades hitting anything if you keep these guards on. Right? If it's going to hit the wall, it's just going to bounce off. It's pretty good. And as I said, it's so lightweight that if this thing fell out of the sky, it's not going to really hurt anyone. It's not going to really damage anything. And it's not going to really damage itself either. It's not a bad way to start to see if this is your thing. You know, you can spend $150 on a performance quad. Then you need to buy your radio. Then you need to buy your headset. Then you need to learn to fly it. And I can tell you now, those other quads I'm talking about with the carbon frames, they are very different to this. And if you're not careful, you can easily scare yourself away from this hobby. So, do yourself a favour. This is not a bad way to start. For yourself, for your children. I've got it for myself. It's not for my kids, for me. And yeah, I've still got it too. I'm not giving it away. It's a nice little runabout, flyabout, whatever you want to call it. So, please give me the thumbs up if you like what you saw. Give me the thumbs down if you didn't like what you saw. And don't forget to subscribe and hang about, because I've got plenty more videos coming up. And yeah, bye for now. I'll see you again soon.